In the gospel reading we heard, Jesus goes to Bethany, the house of Martha, Mary, and Lazarus, whom he loved. There are 3 references about Martha in the Bible. First, what we heard in Luke's Gospel, chapter 10. The second reference is in the Gospel of John, chapter 11. Lazarus is sick. Martha sends a message to Jesus, your friend is sick. Jesus doesn't go. He waits. He tells his disciple, you will see my glory. He reaches there on the 4th day. By the time Lazarus has died and they have kept him in the tomb, Jesus visits them and brings back Lazarus to life. And the third reference is in the Gospel of John, chapter 12. A week before his passion, Jesus, on the way to Jerusalem, goes to the house of Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. And Martha prepared a dinner for him, and Mary washed his feet with expensive perfume and wiped his legs with her hair. Let us concentrate on today's reading from the Gospel according to Luke. Jesus has come. As usual, Martha has the leadership quality. She wants to prepare a good meal for Jesus, so she is busy inside. But then she gets tired because her sister, Mary, probably younger sister, is sitting there at the feet of Jesus. Therefore, she comes to complain about her sister to Jesus. Jesus loved Mary, Martha, and Lazarus. And yet, Jesus corrects Martha. He tells Martha, why you are worried? I have come here not for food. I have come for friendship, for companionship. And Jesus, as a human person, though he was divine, he was fully human like us. He too needed friendship. And now he's on the way to Jerusalem. He knows he will be crucified there. So he needed support. And he comes to Martha's house. Martha didn't understand this. Therefore, she's busy preparing a good meal for Jesus.